Namaskar. In this video, I'll introduce you to India's most popular carrier vehicle, Piaggio Ape Electrik. If your business needs day-to-day operations, then there is no better option for a three-wheeler electric Gadi than Piaggio Ape Electrik. This vehicle can bring the best results for your business, and here's how. Compact size. Piaggio Ape Electrik can easily navigate through narrow streets, making it ideal for deliveries and transportation in busy urban areas. Powerful electric motor. This vehicle can climb steep hills even with a full load. And as the name suggests, this is an electric powered vehicle, hence no fuel expenses and minimal maintenance cost. For per 100 km, this vehicle will cost you around 65 to 70 rupees, whereas a diesel vehicle will cost you around 400 to 500 rupees. Piaggio Ape Electrik comes in two different variants, FX and FX Max. FX has a top speed of 45 km per hour and a range of 90 km. While FX Max, this particular variant, has a top speed of 50 km per hour and a range of 120 km. FX has a gradability of 17 degree and FX Max has a gradability of 19 degree. Based on cargo type, Piaggio Ape Electrik comes in three different models: flatbed, full body and pickup. This is the pickup model. As you can see, this can open from all the sides, making it convenient to carry heavy loads. This pickup cargo is like a small truck with a load capacity of 500 kilograms. It has a separate cab and an open box to transport loads. The best uses of this vehicle are water can delivery, milk can delivery, vegetable fruit selling, etc. Now let us understand how much weight can you carry in this vehicle and how far can you go with it. The spacious cargo area of this vehicle can hold up to 550 kilograms of weight, making it perfect for transportation of goods and supplies. And with a range of 80 km on a single charge, this vehicle is perfect for businesses that want to reduce operating costs and increase profits. Piaggio offers vehicles with higher gradability and hill hold assistance, ensuring that no roads are impossible for you or your vehicle. With enhanced pickup and boost mode, you will get the speed and performance you need to power through any challenge. This also comes with an emergency breakdown key, which disconnects the vehicle from the battery instantly. It has pre-installed GPS. This also comes with a wider back window, which makes it easy to have a better view of the carrier. As we all know, two important components of electric vehicle are its battery and motor. This Piaggio Ape Electrik vehicle comes with a 8 kW lithium-ion battery, which is IP67 certified. This means you can drive your EV without any worries even in heavy rains. Now let's talk about how long it will take to fully charge the battery. It takes nearly 4 hours to take the battery from 0 to 100%. It's best to charge your vehicle when the battery is around 20 to 30% charged and unplug the charger when it reaches 90%. This will help you avoid running out of battery power and reduce your range anxiety. Additionally, recharging your EV batteries at this stage makes your EV battery last longer. Now that we have discussed most of the features of this vehicle, let us understand how much you have to spend yearly on the maintenance of this vehicle and how safe it is to invest in it. So the good news is Piaggio offers first 10 services free. After exhausting your first 10 free services, it will cost you up to ₹1,000 per year. And the best part is Piaggio provides roadside assistance in case of vehicle breakdown. This vehicle comes with a 3-year or 1 lakh kilometer super warranty, ensuring that you have peace of mind on the road. And now you must be wondering what will happen to my vehicle after 3 years. So friends, after 3 years, either you can keep the vehicle or get an assured resale value of up to rupees 1.5 lakhs if you buy it with Turno. Turno has a collaboration with both the manufacturer and the dealers of Piaggio. Turno helps Piaggio with assisting the customers and solving their queries better and faster. So now what can be your possible concerns? Need to find the right vehicle? Yes, Turno helps you there. Need to find financing at better rates? Yes, Turno offers an interest rate of 11.50%, which is the best in the market. Need faster delivery of vehicle? Yes, Turno delivers vehicle in just 5 days. Need to cover the reselling risk? Turno offers you a guaranteed resale value of up to 1.5 lakhs after 3 years. Need to keep track of your vehicle? Yes, Turno provides you a free telematic app that helps you keep track of your battery health and charging time. So if you are looking for a reliable, efficient and sustainable solution for your business, look no further and head to Turno, the ultimate commercial 3-wheeler electric Gadi destination, if you are planning to buy or even book a test drive. Check out the contact details of Turno in the description below. and you can send your questions in the comment section and I'll surely answer them. Thank you.